Nature-inspired interior design, bringing the outdoors into your living space. Nature has always been a source of inspiration for design. From the organic shapes of leaves and trees to the calming presence of natural materials like wood and stone, nature's influence can transform an indoor space into a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. In a world that is constantly buzzing with technology and artificial environments, incorporating natural elements into interior design allows us to reconnect with the earth and create a home that feels warm, inviting, and harmonious. Nature-inspired interior design is not just about adding a few potted plants to a room. It's about creating a holistic environment that mirrors the beauty and balance found in nature. Every element, whether it's the choice of materials, color palettes, textures, or even the way light enters the space, works together to establish a connection to the natural world. This design philosophy has been embraced by cultures worldwide, from Japanese Zen interiors that celebrate simplicity to Scandinavian spaces that highlight raw materials and natural light. One of the most fundamental aspects of nature-inspired interiors is the use of natural materials. Wood, in particular, plays a crucial role in creating a warm and grounding atmosphere. Whether it's in the form of exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood furniture, or hand-carved decorative pieces, wood adds a sense of authenticity to a space. Different types of wood, such as oak, teak, walnut, and bamboo, each bring their own unique texture and warmth. Combining wood with other materials like stone, rattan, or clay enhances the organic feel of the space, making it more tactile and visually rich. Another key feature of nature-inspired design is the color palette. Instead of artificial or overly bold colors, nature-inspired interiors draw from the earth's natural hues. Soft greens, warm browns, deep blues, and sandy neutrals are commonly used to create a soothing and balanced environment. These tones mimic the colors found in forests, oceans, and mountains, evoking a sense of calm and tranquility. Some designers take inspiration from seasonal changes, using light, airy colors in spring and summer and deeper, moodier tones in autumn and winter, to create a dynamic space that evolves over time. Textures play an essential role in nature-inspired interiors. Organic textures such as rough-hewn wood, woven fibers, linen fabrics, and raw stone create a multi-dimensional space that feels inviting and lived in. Smooth, polished surfaces are often balanced with rougher, more natural elements to create contrast and depth. For example, a sleek marble countertop might be paired with a live-edge wooden dining table, or a soft wool rug might be placed on top of a stone floor. These contrasts help to capture the imperfect beauty of nature. Another significant element of nature-inspired design is the presence of natural light. Maximizing daylight not only enhances the aesthetic of a space, but also improves well-being by boosting mood and energy levels. Large windows, skylights, and open floor plans help bring in more sunlight, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Sheer curtains, light-colored walls, and reflective surfaces can further amplify natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. In the evenings, warm, soft lighting such as candles, pendant lights with woven shades, or Himalayan salt lamps can mimic the gentle glow of the sun, adding to the overall ambience. One of the most visually striking ways to incorporate nature into interior design is through biophilic elements. Biophilic design is centered around integrating natural patterns, forms, and living elements into indoor spaces. Living walls, for example, are a stunning way to bring greenery indoors while also improving air quality. Vertical gardens, moss walls, or even simple trailing vines can create a lush and refreshing focal point. Indoor water features such as small fountains or tabletop waterfalls can add an auditory element that mimics the soothing sounds of nature, further enhancing the sense of relaxation. Bringing nature into the home doesn't always require major structural changes. Decorative elements inspired by nature can also make a significant impact. Artwork featuring botanical prints, driftwood sculptures, seashell collections, or handcrafted pottery all help to reinforce a nature-inspired theme. Handmade sustainable decor pieces, such as woven baskets, macrame wall hangings, or ceramic vases, add a personal touch while staying true to the organic aesthetic. Even subtle details like wooden door handles, pebble-shaped drawer knobs, or linen pillowcases with leaf embroidery can contribute to the overall theme. Another powerful way to embrace nature in interior design is through indoor-outdoor living spaces. Blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor areas creates a seamless transition that makes a home feel more connected to nature. Sliding glass doors, open terraces, and covered patios allow for fluid movement between spaces, making it easier to enjoy fresh air and natural surroundings. Using similar materials both inside and outside, such as stone flooring that extends from the living room to an outdoor patio, further enhances this connection. Sustainability is also a key consideration in nature-inspired interiors. Eco-friendly materials and practices not only contribute to a healthier planet, but also align with the philosophy of living in harmony with nature. Choosing reclaimed wood, bamboo flooring, or furniture made from recycled materials helps to reduce waste and environmental impact. Natural paints, organic fabrics, and toxin-free finishes ensure that the air quality inside the home remains clean and free from harmful chemicals. By prioritizing sustainability, homeowners can create a space that reflects their values while also celebrating nature's beauty. One of the most overlooked aspects of nature-inspired design is the role of scent and sound. Just as visual and tactile elements create a sensory experience, incorporating natural scents and sounds can further enhance the atmosphere. Essential oils like cedarwood, lavender, or eucalyptus can fill a space with fresh, earthy aromas. Wooden diffusers or handmade soy candles with botanical scents offer a natural way to bring fragrance into the home. Likewise, playing nature-inspired sounds such as rustling leaves, ocean waves, or birdsong can create a multi-sensory experience that transports the mind to a peaceful outdoor setting. Ultimately, nature-inspired interior design is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating a space that nurtures well-being, fosters relaxation, and strengthens our connection to the natural world. Whether it's through raw materials, organic shapes, earthy colors, or biophilic elements, every detail contributes to a home that feels balanced, inviting, and deeply rooted in nature. In today's fast-paced world, where urban environments dominate, bringing the tranquility of nature into our homes allows us to slow down, recharge, and embrace the timeless beauty of the outdoors. In today's fast-paced world, integrating nature into our living spaces has become more than just an aesthetic choice. It's a way to restore balance, promote well-being, and create a sense of harmony in our daily lives. From architecture to furniture, decorative accents to simple lifestyle habits, there are endless ways to bring the beauty of nature indoors. One of the most effective ways to achieve a nature-inspired interior is through natural materials. Wood, stone, bamboo, and rattan add warmth and texture, instantly creating an organic and welcoming atmosphere. These materials not only look stunning but also age beautifully, giving spaces a timeless appeal. Another essential element is natural light. Large windows, skylights, and open spaces allow sunlight to flood in, creating a bright and airy environment that boosts mood and enhances productivity. Complementing this with indoor plants adds even more life, improving air quality and bringing a refreshing, calming energy to any space. Earthy color palettes play a significant role as well. Shades of green, soft browns, warm terracottas, and deep blues mimic the natural world, making interiors feel cozy and inviting. These colors can be incorporated through wall paint, textiles, or even artwork inspired by nature. Beyond materials and colors, nature-inspired design embraces fluid, organic shapes. Furniture with soft curves, handmade ceramics, and textured fabrics create a space that feels comfortable and relaxing, free from the rigidity of industrial designs. But bringing nature indoors isn't just about design, it's also about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes sustainability. Choosing eco-friendly materials, repurposing furniture, and reducing waste all contribute to a home that respects and reflects the environment. Ultimately, a nature-inspired interior is more than a passing trend. It's a timeless approach that nurtures our connection with the earth, It transforms a house into a sanctuary, a place where we can unwind, recharge, and truly feel at peace.